Hey everyone, it's Dr. Stice. Hey, I just want to take a few minutes and talk about a really important concept, something we talk about all the time here in the office. You know, if you're a patient, if you've been here, you've seen this all around. I tell everyone this. I think it's in every single room here in the office. It's really important. This arrow. One way towards sickness, towards disease, towards lack of energy, just feeling like junk every day. The other end of that, health, wellness, vitality. Guys, life. That's this direction. Which way are you moving every single day? The best part about this, it's your choice. It's your choice. Every time you get something to eat, everything you put in your body, everything you do, work out, drinking enough water, getting enough sleep, getting adjusted is going to move you one way or the other. Which way are you going to go? One thing I want you to think about. Moving this direction is impossible if you have interference in your nervous system. That's what I do as a chiropractor. Remove the interference, get the hard bone off of the soft nerve, let the nervous system function like it's supposed to, let the body do what it's supposed to do, heal itself, and get you moving this direction. Maybe it's you, maybe it's a loved one. If you know anyone that's moving this direction, or that's maybe already over here, guys, call our office. Just come in and get checked. Just get checked and start living life again. Get checked out. We'll see what we need to do to get you moving in this direction and just get back to enjoying life. Guys, thank you for your time. Again, I'm Dr. Kevin Stice. Take care.